Hari Om everyone. Suppose that as we are discussing about the cell, suppose that in the cell there's the a strike is going on. There's the four stuff, suppose that, and that stuff name is the endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosome, and the vacuole. Suppose that they all are combined and they are starting the strike. That means they suppose that endoplasmic reticulum are saying that I am not going to make the protein and the lipid. Yes, and that means the again Golgi complex. They are saying that I am not going to packaging the anything. That means the whatever you are making, I am not going to transfer or packaging or sorting or modifying the anything. So that's the second one. The third one is the lysosome, and lysosome also saying that okay, if you both are not doing your work, then why I will do my work? I will also not do my work. That means I will not clear or clearance the any waste material from the cell. Okay, I am going to also participate in your strike. So now the next one, that is the vacuole, and we are seeing that here everyone is going to be strike. That means I will also support that strike. That means vacuole also say, okay, I am not going also to store the food. That means all the four characters are going to say something blah 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 as we discussed. Okay, suppose that as we said about the endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, and the lysosome and the vacuole. So in the nuclear, in the cell, we are very familiar that in the cell there's a brain, and that is known as what? Nucleus. Nucleus. What? That's brain. That means nucleus, and nucleus is the CEO of the cell. CEO, that means here. CEO, that means Malik. Yes, now. Yes. That means CEO, that means Malik. That means CEO came and discussed to all them that why are you going to strike in this company. Then all they say that sir, there are lots of problem in this factory. So that's why we are decided to start the strike. Yes. Then nucleus said one by one that okay, tell me endoplasmic reticulum, why I hired you? What's your work? Yes. They said, the nucleus said to the endoplasmic reticulum that okay, endoplasmic reticulum, tell me why I hired you in this factory. If you are going to strike, what's your role? Tell me why I hired you. Then endoplasmic reticulum said to the nucleus, okay sir, let me explain why you hired me. Okay, so endoplasmic reticulum saying all the things about him. Firstly, then saying that why they are hired by the nucleus. So they are saying that I am network like a structure. I am network like a structure. I am a network like a structure. See, there's the network like a structure. Yes. So endoplasmic reticulum saying that I am network like a structure and tube like a structure. And see in this diagram that all network like a structure are present parallelly. Suppose here is a structure and then after there is the second structure. That means one by one all the tubules, all the endoplasmic reticulum, they are arranged in the form of parallel. Yes, all they are arranged parallelly. Okay. Then endoplasmic reticulum defines himself that I am network and tiny tubules like a structure. Okay, and present in which region of the cell? Cytoplasm. Very good. That means endoplasmic reticulum are present in the region of the cytoplasm. Okay. Okay. Then they say that I have two regions. I have how much region? Two regions. That is the luminal and the another one is the extra luminal. That means Luminal, that means the inside part. Inside part is known as the luminal. See, this part, inside part is known as the luminal part. That is known as the luminal part. And the outside part is known as the extra luminal. That means the face towards the cytoplasm, that is the extra luminal. That is the extra luminal. Yes. And then they are saying all the things about him. अपने बारे में सारा कुछ बता रहा है. Then they say that nucleus sir, I have hired also 2 employees for work. Yes, and that is the rough endoplasmic reticulum and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. That's endoplasmic reticulum said to the nucleus that I also hired 2 employees for going perfectly the work. That means the rough endoplasmic reticulum and the another one is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so come, then they are saying another things about the endoplasmic reticulum we are going to discuss. So endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus said again to the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, tell me where is the rough endoplasmic reticulum and where the smooth endoplasmic reticulum? I want to meet him. Tell me where is all they are present. Then endoplasmic reticulum said to the nucleus that wherever in the endoplasmic reticulum, wherever the ribosomes are present, that is known as what? That is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum. Yes, that is known as the rough endoplasmic reticulum. See, there are the lots of ribosomes present in the endoplasmic reticulum. That means this region is known as the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Wherever suppose that this is a endoplasmic reticulum, and in this there is the presence of ribosomes. There is the presence of. That means these are the rough endoplasmic reticulum. That means wherever the ribosomes present, that area is known as the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Then nucleus said, okay, tell me, where is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum? Yes, nucleus said to the endoplasmic reticulum, tell me, where the SER? SER, that means a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Yes, na? Yes, a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So again, endoplasmic reticulum said to the nucleus, in those regions where the ribosome is absent, that region is known as the smooth endoplasmic. And shortly we are symbolizing, we are analyzing that as if that means a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, they all said about that what they are, but nucleus said, okay, I am not going to listen what you are here. Tell me that what's your function? Yes, why I hired you? Tell me that things here. Then endoplasmic reticulum said, sir, I have to do synthesize what? Protein. Here is the presence of ribosome. Yes, sir. And we are very familiar the function of the ribosomes. Yes, na? Yes, we are very familiar. Okay, Tanisha, tell me what is the function of the ribosomes? Yes, it is known the protein peptide. That means they are synthesizing what? Protein. And if ribosomes are synthesizing protein and they are present in the rough endoplasmic reticulum, that means the work of rough endoplasmic reticulum is what? To synthesize protein. Okay, nucleus confirmed. Yes, you are till now that you are very familiar that why I hired you. Then why you are going to stack? Stop your stack here. If there is any problem about the salary, then personally Tell me, na? You are going to strike. If you will do a strike, then who will do these whole works? Yes, their rough endoplasmic reticulum said, okay sir, I will do my work definitely, perfectly. Okay, then came to the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and nucleus came to the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and then said to the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, same question. Okay, tell me, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, why I hired you? Yes, then a smooth endoplasmic reticulum say that, sir, you hired me for the synthesis of lipids, for the synthesis of lipids, for the synthesis of lipids. Then say, only you will synthesize the lipids. If ribosomes present on the rough endoplasmic reticulum, they are synthesizing protein and you are synthesizing lipid, then who will do the other work? Yes, who will clarify, who will remove the waste material whenever there is the formation of the protein by the RER? Who will remove the toxic substance? Who will clarify the waste material? Who will remove that things? Yes, then a smooth endoplasmic reticulum said, relax sir, relax sir. they उतर गया बेचारा, क्या बोले या अगर इसको हम यहीं पे रोक देंगे तो क्या होगा कि हमें और 10-15 काम दे देगा। ये बोलता है ठीक है, एक दो और काम हम जो है कर लेंगे, ठीक है। तो ऐसे आज से that I will also synthesize what? Hormones. What is here? Hormones. I will also synthesize what? Hormones. Then again nucleus said, अरे यार, tell me what I asked. I asked that who will clarify the waste material? Who will remove the waste material whenever there will be the synthesizing of protein? That means whenever anything will be made, that means there will be the generation or generate waste material, na? That means who will clarify that? Who will remove that waste material? Then a smooth endoplasmic reticulum said that, sir, goes to the next step. I am not responsible to do each and every work. Yes. Then a smooth endoplasmic reticulum sent the nucleus to the Golgi apparatus. Yes, sent to the Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is also known as what? Golgi complex, and also known as what? Golgi body. What is your Golgi body? Yes. So that means Golgi apparatus is also known as Golgi complex and Golgi body. Yes. So that means the nucleus came to the Golgi apparatus. Came to the Golgi apparatus. Okay. And now nucleus asked to the Golgi apparatus that, okay, tell me Golgi apparatus, what's your work? Why I have hired you? Yes. Then Golgi apparatus said about him that, sir, firstly now I was discovered by a scientist that is known as Camillo Golgi in the year 1898, and they also describe their structure that, sir, in there is a plate-like structure, that is the plate-like structure, that there is a plate-like structure, and that plate-like structure is known as what? Cisternae. What is here? Cisternae. What is cisternae? That means they are describing their structure, that for what purpose they are designed. Yes. So they say that I have a plate-like structure that is known as cisternae. What is here? Cisternae. Yes. And also they say that there is a artificial structure that is known as what here? Vesicles. What is? Vesicles. Nucleus again said, okay, tell me what's your function here? Again and again you are describing yourself. Then again the Golgi apparatus said, sir, the upper part, listen, here is a nucleus present. Here is nucleus. Yes. So towards the nucleus, there is the two phase. The Golgi apparatus have how many phase? How many side? How many side? There is the upper side and there is the upper side known as cis phase. What is here? Cis phase. The upper part is known as cis phase. The upper part known as and the lower part known as trans phase. The lower part known as trans phase. So as we discussed that endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes what here? Endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes what? Lipid and protein. Also they synthesizes some types of the hormones and enzymes. Yes ना? That means अगर मान लेते हैं अगर हम खेती करते हैं धान उगाते हैं तो उस धान को हम क्या करेंगे? चावल में कन्वर्ट करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे? करेंगे। और उसको फिर हम क्या करेंगे? पूरा का पूरा पैकेजिंग करेंगे बोरे में, करेंगे ना? तो पूरा का पूरा पैकेजिंग करके हम क्या करेंगे? उसको ट्रांसफर कर देंगे। ये पूरा का पूरा जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो रहा है, ट्रांसफरिंग हो रहा है या फिर धान से चावल में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है, who is responsible for this type of the modification? Who is responsible? Golgi apparatus. That means wherever there will be the synthesis of the protein, lipid, enzymes, hormones by the endoplasmic reticulum, then the next work of the Golgi apparatus to modify that things, and packaging that all the things in a bag. And the bag that is known as previously I said that bag name is vesicles. That bag name is. That means in this bag there will be the modified protein, there will be the modified protein, there will be the modified lipid, there will be the modified enzymes and the modified hormones. They all be packed into the vesicles. They all be packed into the vesicles and then removed from this region. And see here, they are separated from the Golgi apparatus. Yes, now vesicles they are separated from the Golgi apparatus. Yes, now. So that means in this vesicle, in this way, there is the package. In this there is the presence of what? Protein, modified lipid, modified enzymes, modified hormones. Yes. So that means all the things are present in the vesicles. All these protein, lipid, all they are present in the form of the vesicle. And vesicles are also two types. How many types? Two types. See in this diagram, one is present or attached to the Golgi apparatus. Yes, now one is attached to the Golgi apparatus and next another one is released or removed or separated from the Golgi apparatus. That means easily we can say that there are the two types of the vesicle. One who is attached to the Golgi apparatus, that is known as the newly forming vesicles. What is here? Newly forming vesicles. What is here? Newly forming vesicles. Or you can also say primary vesicles. What is here? What is? Primary vesicles. And those vesicles which are removed from the Golgi apparatus, that is known as what? Secretory vesicles. What is? Secretory. And in these secretory vesicles, all the modified protein, lipid, enzymes, hormone, and blah 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 things, all they will transfer to the region where there will be the needy area. Okay, so there will be the all they will transfer to the needy places. Okay, that means from this discussion we are able to say that what's the function of the Golgi apparatus. Yes, now that means one by one. Okay, Satya, tell me what's the function of Golgi apparatus. Yes, packaging of the food. Wow, that's great. Okay, tell me, Prasad. Yes, more function about the Golgi complex or apparatus. Yes, that's right. That means they also helps in the modification of the protein, lipid, enzymes, hormone and the other materials. Yes, now that means they all are helping in the first. That is, they are helping in the packaging. They are helping in the packaging, and they are also helping in the sorting. Yes, and they are also helping in the modification. They are also helping the modification. That means all the functions said by you. Yes, sir. I am not able to say that what's the function of Golgi apparatus. You are able. Yes, that means you are able. That was the function of the Golgi apparatus. Okay, we discussed the two organelles. One about the endoplasmic reticulum. One about the endoplasmic reticulum, and the second one is the Golgi complex. Yes. So about the endoplasmic reticulum, we say that endoplasmic reticulum have how many types? Two types. One is the endoplasmic, and the second one a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, and we also discussed the function of the area. Yes, what's the function of area? Synthesizing protein. Okay, and what's the function of the ASEA? Synthesizing of lipids and hormones. Okay. Yes, and then we discussed also about the Golgi complex. What's the function of the Golgi complex? Yes, that means all the things made by the endoplasmic reticulum, all they will modify by the Golgi complex. That means their function is the packaging modification. Clear now? Any doubt? No doubt. Okay, that means the next organelles, that is the lysosome. What is? Lysosome. Yes, that means from the packaging, modification and the other thing, there is the lots of waste material accumulating in the seed. Yes, now there is a lots of waste material deposited into the seed. So that means what's the function of the lysosome? Who is responsible to remove that waste material? Who is responsible? Lysosome, obviously. There is the lysosome. Who will remove the waste material? Lysosome. Okay, in the standard 9 we discussed also about the lysosome. Lysosome known as suicidal bag. That means suicidal. That means we are very familiar the word about the suicidal. Yes, now that means there's a lot about the any type of the joke. When we will discuss the story of the lysosome, we say that they are play as a role of soldier for the soul. That means they all remove the waste material, or they all remove the toxic substance. They kill the germs, they kill the bacteria, they kill the virus. That means they are playing as a role. Now they are playing as hero role. Yes. That means what the function of the lysosome? Their structure is round like a structure. Yes, their structure is round like a structure. Their structure is round like a structure. Yes, and they contain vesicles. They contain in the lysosome. There are so many vesicles present. Yes, see there is the vesicles. Yes, there is the lysosome. That means in the lysosome there is the vesicle, and in this vesicle there is the waste material can also be packaged. Not only the protein, lipid, enzymes, hormone will packaged into the vesicles. Although also the waste material also be packaged in the vesicles. Yes, that means lysosome have an enzyme. Which type of enzymes present in the lysosome? Hydrolytic enzyme. Which type of enzymes present? Which type of enzymes present? Hydrolytic enzymes. Yes, and there are lots of hydrolytic enzymes. Yes, like lipase. What is your lipase? Like nuclease. What is nuclease? Like oligosaccharidase. Polysaccharide. Yes, oligosaccharide. Yes, and protease. What is here? Protease. And carbohydrates. Yes, carbohydrates. Yes, lipase. Yes, that means that so many types of the hydrolytic enzymes present in the lysosomes. Yes, that means what they have. Yes, they are helping in the digestive of the things. Yes, if they have the presence of so many enzymes like lipase will digest the what? Lipase digest the fats. Lipase digest the fats. That's great. And nuclease digest the nuclease digest the nucleus or nucleic acid. Yes, nucleic acid that means DNA or RNA. Nucleic acid that means DNA or RNA. That means if there is the mutated DNA or RNA present in the cell, there is no role. They can harm the body, they can harm the cell. That means nuclease will play the role to digest all the waste material. Yes, now that will they will play to digest the nucleic acid. Yes, and the next one, that is the what? Oligosaccharides. Yes, that means they will digest the saccharide. Saccharide, that means the carbohydrate form. Yes, they are the structure of the carbohydrate. They are the structure of the carbohydrate. They are the protease. Protease digest the what? Proteins. What here? Protein. Then there is the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates also. The name is self saying here. What can they do here? What we can learn from this? And we all are very familiar from this also. Yes. So these all about the lysosomes. Yes. That means lysosomes digested the waste material. That they digested also the food. They digest. Suppose that in the virus, in the bacteria, in the lysosome, they are made up by the protein, carbohydrate, lipid. Yes, now that means there's the need to break down all the bacterial, virus, मतलब pathogens. Yes, now that means there's the need to digest. Now that means they have to digest. If we are discussed here that like in the lysosome, there's the hydrolytic enzymes. That means they break all the things. Yes, now they break the pathogens. Yes, so that means by the breaking of the pathogens, they are able to save us. Yes, now that means we can prevail from the pathogen obviously. Yes, so the next that means what's the function of the lysosomes? Tell me one by one. I am not going to tell the function. Okay, by the discussing about the lysosome, you maybe that you are able to discuss the function of the lysosomes. So one by one, tell me the function of the Teresa. Tell me the function of the lysosome. One function. Yes. Yes, breaks the food. Wow, that's great. Okay, that's it. Okay, tell me Acharya, what's the function of the lysosome?
Intercellular digestion.
Wow, that's great. That means they are helping to digest the intracellular material. That's it. Okay, we are discussed the three things. One about the endoplasmic reticulum. Second about the Golgi complex, and we are very familiar the function about the ER and the function about the Golgi complex, and the third about the lysosome. We are also familiar. Yes, now anyone who is not familiar about the lysosome? Familiar or not?
Yes, sir.
Familiar. Okay. The next one, who will store all the things? That means if we are very familiar from the Golgi apparatus, that means they are helping in the packaging. Yes, now if the or suppose that whenever we are ordering from the Flipkart, yes, now or Miso, yes, there that means all the packaged material where they can store their office, their go down. Yes, now that means all the packaged material where will be stored in the vacuoles. In the vacuoles. Yes. So in the vacuoles there will be the storage of all the things. Yes, there will be the storage of the materials. Yes, now. So that means the packaged things where will be stored in the godown. The name of the godown is vacuole. What's the name here? Vacuoles. Yes. So that means nucleus said again and asked that, okay, tell me, vacuole, you also participated in the strike. Tell me what's your concern? Why I hired you? Then vacuole said, sir, tell, I am going to tell me to describe myself. So this said that I am occurring or founding in the which region? Cytoplasm, and they contain what? Water, say, excretory product, and another waste material. Another waste material. That means not useful material. Yes. That means in the vacuole, yes. That means all the bekar cheez, all the unimportant cheez. Yes, now all the unnecessary cheez will be where stored? Vacuole. Where is stored? Vacuole. See, there's the water will be stored in where? Vacuole. In the safe. Where will be stored? One conclusion, that is what about the safe. What is the meaning of the safe? What's the meaning of the safe? Anyone? If not able to, then no worry. But if you are able, then you can say. Anyone? Okay, no worry. So safe, that means what? Safe, that means the substance which are present in the safe. The substance, the material present in the safe. That means the composition of liquid and the composition of solid. That means we can also say that semi-solid. What is? Semi-solid. Yes. That means semi-solid material will be stored also where? Vacuole. Where? Vacuole. Yes. So in the animal cell and in the plant cell, in both there's the presence of organelles, that is the. But in the case of the plant, they occupy almost 50 to 90% area of the cell. 50 to 90% area of the. Suppose that this one is the cell and there's the nucleus, and we also discussed that in the eukaryotic cell lots of cell organelles also present. Yes, and there in the plant cell there's the 50 to 90% area covered by the vacuole. Yes, now that means they takes the lots area, lots of space. Yes. That means they are taking the enough space of the cell. Yes, that means in this we can store the lots of material. Yes, now that means in this there is a storage of water, seed, and the excretory product. Excretory product, that means waste material. Excretory product, that means waste material. So all the waste material also accumulate, also store where? In the vacuoles. Yes. So that means in the plant cell they occupy almost 50 to 90% area of the cell. And in the small vacuole is little size. Yes, the small size. That means they only occupied almost 15 to 35% area. Okay. So the next about the function, not about the function, vacuole. So vacuole are how many types? 3 types. One is the safe vacuole. One is the safe vacuole, and another one is the contractile vacuole. Another one is the contractile vacuole, and the third one is the food vacuole. Wow, great! Food vacuole. That means vacuole are how many types? One is food vector. In the class 9 and 10 we have discussed about the amoeba. Yes, now we discussed about the paramecium and about the amoeba. Yes, we discussed now about the paramecium and about the amoeba. Yes, so in the amoeba we discussed there's the food vacuole, there's the and the contractile vacuole. That wherever the presence of food, they create a false mouth. And that false mouth name is pseudopodia. So by the help of the pseudopodia, the food is captured and stored in the food vacuole by the digestive. Yes, now. So food digested and stored in the which vacuole? Food vacuole. And where the undigested food is also stored in the form of the vacuole. So if the vacuole understood that they are the undigested food, they will store in the cell, in the vacuole. Never store. Who will store your waste material? Well, हम लोग तो स्टोर नहीं करेंगे, फालतू कौन स्टोर करता है? कोई रखेगा क्या? नहीं रखेगा. That means no one store the waste material in the compartment, in the safe or in the house or in the city. Yes, now that means they will all the amoeba will contract. And there's a vacuole, that is the contractile vacuole. Yes, now we discussed now. There's the contractile vacuole. That means they will also get contractile. That means compact. Yes, now. So that means whenever the contractile vacuole contract, that means the waste material will be also excrete. Yes, now the waste material also will be eliminated. The waste material also will be removed. See here, there the excess water also released by the contractile vacuole. The waste material also will be released by the contractile vacuole. Yes. So one vacuole is more. That is the safe vacuole. And so in the organism where all the nutrients are stored, yes, now that is known as what? Safe vacuole. So by the discussing these all the things, now I am thinking that who are able that saying about the function of the vacuole. Okay, tell me one by one. Who will tell the function of the vacuole? Who will tell? By yourself. Who will tell the function of the vacuole? Who will tell? Okay, sir, tell me the function of the vacuole.
Sir, it stores the material present in the cell.
Wow, that's great. It's a store the material. Yes, that means they store the material. So what we discussed today's class, we discussed firstly about the